Starring lecture recorded on the morning of February 20th, 1971 at Sri Krishna Niketan, Gorakhpur, UP.
सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी को वाद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव की जय, रामाचार्य की जय, कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद, श्री राधा कृष्ण गो गोपनाथ श्याम सुंदर राधा कुंड दुर्योधन की जय, वृंदावन धाम की जय, नवद्वीप धाम की जय, मामाई की जय, मामाई की जय, स्वामी भक्तवृंद की जय, आज ग्लोरी पूजा संबंध सब परिचित पवित्र गाथा जीसा भव समदिशम भगवत प्रपन्य ताननोपसीदत हरे गदयाभिभुक्त्यान नैषांग वयं च नैषांग वयं न च वयः प्रभवामगन। So devotees, they are so exalted that as Krishna's activities, pastimes are transcendentally relishable, similarly, devotees' dealings with the personality of Godhead is also relishable. Sometimes we find the gopis, they accuse Krishna, they are ungrateful, cheater, and so many things, very strong words sometimes gopis use. When Uddhava came, they immediately accused Uddhava, you are coming from Krishna. Then we know you are Krishna, how cheater he is, so you must be another cheater. But these strong words used by the gopis in connection with Krishna, that is, it is stated here, te devasiddha parijita pavitra gatha. When these words are discussed even in the society of the demigods and the siddhas. Siddha means there is a siddha loka. The inhabitants of that planet, they are automatically yoga siddha. All the perfection of yogic principles are there. Yoga siddha. There are different planets of different vibhuti. Jasta prabha prabhavato jagadanna koti, kotishu asesa vasudhadi vibhuti bhinna. Every planet is differently exalted. And the more you go in the upper planetary system, thousands and thousands of times better, comfortable life than on this planet. Actual time explained. Vibhuti Vinnam. All of them are differently situated. Not that all planets are of the same type. So there is a Siddha Loka. In that Siddha Loka, if anyone wants to go to another planet, he does not require any aeroplane or Sputnik. He can go immediately. That is called Siddha Loka. So, te sadhava, te devasiddha parijita, pavitra gatha. पवित्र गाथा, वर्णित पवित्र कथा. If that discussed as Krishna's pastime, Chinnatang Sakatha Krishna, Punna Savana Kirtan. At Krishna's pastime, Krishna's activities are Punna Savana Kirtan. If somebody hears and chants, if he does not understand even a farthing of it, still he becomes pious. There is no need of understanding. Simply that holy sound will make his heart pure. Pavitra Gata. This sound is like when kirtan is going on, an animal is standing. He does not understand what is the meaning of that kirtan, but that sound will purify it. There are many insects within this room, many small creatures, ants, mosquitoes, flies, simply by hearing this holy name, transcendental vibration, they will purify. Pavitra Gata. As soon as you discuss dealings of Krishna with the gopis, because Krishna's pastime means there must be the other party. And what is that other party? That is devotee. Dealings, there is a proverb like that. Some foolish person was speaking that this year I have seen many boys are married. What does it mean? Many boys are married, but there must be many girls also. Otherwise, how is married? Similarly, Krishna's pastimes means there must be divorce. Otherwise, with whom Krishna will play? Krishna does not play with any other unless they are devoted. Sadhava hridayamayyam. As a devotee is always absorbed in thought of Krishna, similarly, Krishna is always absorbed in thought of his devotee. The gopis, Krishna became absent from Vrindavan. So their mind was always absorbed in the thought of Krishna. When Krishna was present in Vrindavan, that time also, when Krishna used to go to the forest, the gopis were thinking of Krishna always. How Krishna is walking on the rough and the field. There are so many stone chips. Krishna's feet is so soft. How he is feeling. And feeling this they were crying. That was the gopis. So, therefore, as Krishna and Krishna's thought, they are absolute. There is no difference. Therefore, it is said, Krishna never goes a step forward from Vrindavan, because gopis have captured them. Krishna cannot go out of Vrindavan on account of gopis always thinking of him. The gopis will never cease to think of Krishna. Therefore, it is not possible for Krishna to go out of Vrindavan. Also physically he may not be present. But he has no difference between physical or mental or subtle and broad. He has no such difference. Krishna is absolute anyway. Similarly, if you also think of Krishna, if you are also pure devotee, then Krishna is always with you. That is the advantage. Otherwise, how Krishna says, Yoginamapi sarvesam madgata. The topmost yogis, those who are always thinking of Krishna. Pavitra Gatha. ते देव सिद्ध परिजित पवित्र गाथा जे साधव समधित भगवत प्रपन्ना भगवत प्रपन्ना साधव साधु साधव बहुवचन plural number. So only the Bhagavat Prapanna are sadhu, not other. Sadhu eva samanta. Kapite sudurachar. Sadhu, there is a word, sadhu, means pious man. So pious man is he who is surrendered to Krishna, Bhagavat Prapanna. Vyasa. Sadhava sadhu bhusana. Sadhava sadhu bhusana. Ajata satkarma Sridham sarvabhutanam titikshava karunika. These are the symptoms of sadhava, sadhu. The first symptom is titikshava, very tolerant. In any condition, they will go on thinking of Krishna. Never mind what is happening externally. There may be so many dangerous things coming and going, but they cannot give up thinking of Krishna. Titiksa. And karunika. Karunika means very compassionate. It's like Goswami. Nana Shastu Vicharanayita Nipunau Sadharma Samapsastau Lukanam Hitakarino. The devotee's business is always thinking of how to do good to the people in general. How they will accept Krishna consciousness. Simply 24 hours thinking, making plans. Therefore, Karunika. Although personally there is so many inconveniences, tolerate it. But that planning, Krishna planning is going on. Karuna. How the people of the world will be happy. Titiksava Karunika. Why they are planning like Sridham Sarvabhutana? They are not selfish. Now I have become Krishna devotee, that's our life. Let others go to hell. No. They want to see that everyone becomes a devotee of Krishna. Therefore they are real friends. That is his real friend. Lokanam hitakarino. This Goswami's idea. They left their comfortable position as ministers, went to Vrindavan, and became a mendicant. Kopina kanthasi. Sakta Turnamashisa Mandalapati Saning. Sada Suchava. Because they are ministers, they are associates, they are friends, they are companions, are all rich men, aristocrats. Sakta Turnam Asisa Mandalapati. Mandalapati means great leaders of aristocratic family. They give up. Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, they gave up this association of big aristocratic families. Tattva Turnamasi Samandalapati Saning Sadat Tuchava. Tuchava means there is no necessity, there is much insignificant, we don't want it. Tattva Turnamasi Sa, why you standing? Tattva Turnamasi Samandalapati Saning Sadat Tuchava. Just like you have got a piece of scrap paper, you throw it away. Similarly, they give up the association of aristocratic family. Just like, what is it? No need. Throw it away. Tuchava. Tattva Turnamasi Samandalapati Saning Sada Tuchava. Bhutva Dina Ganesha Kau Karunaya Kaupina Kantha Sito. Being compassionate with the poor souls who are poor souls, anyone who is not Krishna conscious is a poor soul. He may be outwardly very rich, but he is a poor soul. Dīna ganesako karunaya kopīna kamthā sito tattvātu namaste samandala patsane sada asucchava bhutva dīna ganesako karunaya kopīna kamthā sito gopi bhavaratam mitābhilahari kallola magnau sada. And how they are living, always thinking of the pastimes of the gopis with Krishna. That was their life habitat. How Krishna, Gopijana Vallabha, they are thinking of Krishna as Gopijana Vallabha. That is Krishna's business. Radha Madhava Gopijana Vallabha. So how Gopijana Vallabha was dealing, they are always thinking. In that ecstasy, they are getting life. Otherwise, there are no comforts of the body. They give up everything, living underneath the tree, and we can mend the kopina kanthastika. Kopina means simply the 2 pieces of underwear, that's all. No gorgeous clothing, nothing of the sort. But they are rich in understanding the Gopijana Vallabha. When understood what is Gopijana Vallabha. Gopi bhavaratam, that is just like a ocean. Ratham mitam. There is a rush, mela, which they are tasting 24 hours, and therefore they didn't care whether they were living underneath a tree or there was no cloth, no food, that doesn't matter. Gopijana Vallabha. So, sadhava, apparently it appears that they are living in any poor condition, but they are very rich. Sadhava, sadhu. These are the symptoms of sadhu. Titikshava, karunika, sridham sarvabhutanam, ajata satrava shamta, sadhava sadhu pujana. The first thing is they are very tolerant, titikshava, karunika, compassionate, and sridham, friend of all living entities. They are not like that. Just like politicians, they are friends only to the countrymen and to the party. But still they are so much eulogized. Oh, he is our leader. But this sort of leader cannot be compared with a sadhu, because a sadhu is leader for all living entities. They are thinking of the ant also, how it will behave. Not only human society or own society, family members, but there cannot be broader minded than a sadhu. That is real sadhu. Sridham sarvabhutana, friend of all living entities, never mind whether it is an ant or whether he is Brahma. He is friend of everyone. Ajata Satya, as because a sadhu is friend of everyone, there cannot be any conceivable enemy. But still there are enemies. That is the nature of this world. So here it is said, Ji sadhava samadrisha. Samadrisha means equally, equiposed. Not that I can simply set this, my brothers, or my community, or my society, or my nation, or the human society. Nowadays there is a hobby, just like Vivekananda. Daridra Narayan said, the human society is the poor. At Sadhanarayan, the goat Narayan, they must be killed for this Daridra Narayan. this kind of discrimination is not for the sadhu. He is not a sadhu. Sadhu is equally disposed to all living entities, not only human society, animal society. In the material atmosphere, because the material atmosphere is envious one another. I am envious to you, you are envious to me. That is the position of the material world. So this so-called philanthropists or altruists, they take a section only to good to them, but neglect others. Neglect others. Others are enemies. But a sadhu is equiposed. He takes compassion for all kinds of living. Sridham sarvabhutana. Ajata satrava shanta sadhava sadhu. The sadhava samadrisha bhagavat prapanna. So without being surrendered so to Krishna, Bhagavat prapanna, there cannot be any sadhu and there cannot be any man equiposed to everyone. जल्दी जाना है क्या? हाँ, आप इंग्लिश हैं?
उनको ऑफिस खाना खा कर हमारा काम था। आप एक कौशल्या देवी को सीट देना चाहते हैं? कौशल्या देवी को सीट देना चाहते हैं, तो दे सकते हैं?
हाँ, दीजिए ना।
और उनसे साइन ले सकते हैं? उनसे साइन करवाना चाहते हैं अपनी डायरी का, वो आज जा रहे हैं।
हाँ, हाँ, ठीक है। But these are the description of sadhu. Bhagavat prapanna. Each and every word is so nice, perfect in Srimad Bhagavatam, describing this sadhava. Sadhava means those who are pious men. Who is a pious man? Samadhisha. Samadhisha, equiposed. And Bhagavat prapanna. And therefore the conclusion is the same thing as we repeat several times. Without being Krishna conscious, nobody can be a good man. That's all. We shall not hate that, oh, he is not a good man, therefore we have to hate. No, that is not our duty. But this is the conclusion. And because the world is full of no good man, there we have to preach. So we cannot hate even if he is not a good man. But this is a fact. One who is not a Krishna conscious person, he is not a good man. But our duty is preach, because the world is full of no good man, therefore we have to preach. Otherwise what is the use of preaching? That we should not be envious, although a man is not good man. That is the sign. Samadhisha. Just like Goswami. Krishna Kirtana Gana Nattana Paro Premamritamani Dhira Dhira Jana Priyo. Dhira means sober, and Adhira means restless. So Dhira Dhira Jana Priyo. They were Priya, dear, both the rascals and good men. Because they are distributing Krishna consciousness. Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, just you saw in Benares, not that all the men who joined the procession, they were all good men. Some materialist point. But the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so kind. Thousands of men joined Chaitanya and they danced. Dhira Dhira. Not that in the crowd only selected devotees were there. No, most of the 99% are non-devotees. Similarly, in your country, you have seen the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu statue attracted so many people, and but Dhira Dhira Jana Priyo. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his servants, They are dear both to the sober and absent. Veera, Veera, because in their mind there is no such discrimination. That here is a rascal, I shall not talk to him. Or here is only a good man, I shall talk to him. No. So Nityananda Prabhu, he first ever selected, here is Jagai Mala. All right. But my first business is done. And delivered. These are the examples. Sadhu. What is sadhu? Sadhu is not with a tilak and in a secluded place chanting and not coming out and very imitating Haridas Thakur. And as soon as the throat is dry, biri, give me biri. These imitations are going on. Swaying, just like Haridas Thakur, but chanting, the throat becomes dry and immediately assistance of cigarettes or biri is required. Or a gaja. What do you think? Muktananda, is it not? Did you practice this? Thank you. Therefore you have come to us. Because so sadhava samadita bhagavat prapanya tana nopa sidata. These are the signs of sadhu. Don't approach it. Jamaraj says, don't approach it. Be careful. You have no business to go there. No pasidata. Don't approach. Why no pasidata? Hare Godayavi Vishram. You know, Vishnu has that club. Immediately that club will be used. Just like the Vishnu Duta acted in case of Ajame. As soon as they approach, therefore warning, don't do this again. One is a devotee, don't go there. Otherwise, they are protected by the club of Vishnu, Chakra. Immediately, that will be used. Let's see, everything is clearly. To simply become Krishna devotee, your life is successful. You are well protected and you are well recognized, your qualities, your everything becomes all transcendental. It is so nice. Krishna says, Sarvadharman Paridaman, I will give you. These are things that stated. Tanano pasidata hare gadayavi guptyam naishana bayana nata baya prabhavamadam. They are not our candidates, and neither we have got any power to punish them. Even if is wrong, that is not our jurisdiction, that is Krishna's jurisdiction. Krishna will see to it what to do, even if it is wrong. That is called a departmental punishment. That is Krishna's departmental punishment, not outside. Krishna may punish him or excuse him, that is Krishna's business, not ours. Therefore, a devotee knows when he is fully surrendered to Krishna, if there is some punishment from the side of Krishna, they accept it as mercy. Tattvenukampa susamiksamam. They have the eyes to see that this is mercy of Krishna. Krishna has put me into some dangerous position. That is Krishna's mercy. And actually it is so. By a little inconvenience, immediately he is rectified. So, Jamaraj says, Naisang Bayana Nata Baya Prabhuvamadanda. Ata stand no pasita, tat samipam api nagachata. Siddha Swami said, do not try to go their vicinity. What is speak of going direct people? Where they are sitting at their lunch, don't go. At hundreds of thousands of years away stand. Baya kalopi na prabhavati. Then the Jamaduta can say that we may not go, but the time factor will act on them. So that is also no. There is no question of time factor for them. Such as the facility. Now, Jamaraj is a Mahajan. We have to take his statement, how devotees have stated. Krishna says summarily, that I will give you protection. And how they are protected, you have to learn from the Mahajan. Mahajana Jina Gatastha Pandita. Then next question will be, then what is our business, where to go? Suppose they are all devotees. Sometimes a rascal question is there, that if everyone becomes devotee, how this world will go on? That is their concern. If everyone becomes honest, how the prison house will go on? Then what is the use of prison house? If it is closed, that is good. Similarly, if the whole world becomes devotee and the business of the material world is closed for good, that is very good. But that will not happen. That is not possible. So, Jamaraj says, Tan anayadham asato vimukha namukunda padara vinna makaranda rashat ajasam. You simply approach to persons who are averse to the lotus feet of Mukunda, Krishna. One who does not relish the honey in the lotus feet, because in the lotus there is honey. So devotees, they taste the honey in the lotus feet of Krishna. One who is averse to this nice honey at the lotus feet of Krishna, but what they are tasting Niskinchanai Paramahansa Kulai Rasangai Jushchad Grihe Nidayavatmani Baddhatvisha. Those who are not associating with pure devotee, Niskinchanai, one who has no other business than to taste the honey at the lotus feet of Krishna. The persons who are not associating, that means those who are not becoming life members of Krishna conscious movement. Jamaraj is advising, go there. Go there. Why? This grihe nirayavatmani baddhatvishan. They are staying at home, which is the path to hell, and they are absorbed in unlimited desire. Grihe. Grihe means staying at home, not going out for canvassing for Krishna. Grihe niraya bhatmani. What is this griha? Niraya means hell and bhatmani means path. Griha means the path of going to hell. That was also advised by Prahlad Maharaj. Grihandhakupam tatva grihandhakupam. Andhakupam means blind well. I saw one blind well in at start, when I was at, what is his name? John Lennon House. There was a blind pit and it was covered with grass and somebody fell. So, this griha andakupam, this family life is sometimes, unless there is Krishna, the family life, without Krishna consciousness, family life is just like a blind well covered with grass. As soon as you go, you fall down. Prahlad Maharaj recommended that one should give up this blind well and go to the open forest. So here also it is said, Griya Niravatmane Baddhatrisha. Why they are staying in that blindness? Baddhatrisha. Conditioned by material desire. Thinking that I am in family, there are friends, there are my countrymen, there are my children, and they will give me protection. What this Krishna consciousness movement will give us protection? They have no money, they are begging, so how they can? No. That is their idea. These my family affairs, a nice situation, that will give me protection. But that's wrong. Tasya nidhanam pasyannapi napasyati dehapatta kalatravisu asatsapi tasassannisu tasya pramatta nidhanam pasyannapi napasyati. The thing that this atmosphere will give me protection without seeing that they will be all destroyed by the laws of nature. So Jamaraj says, those who are under this conception, that this secure home life will give me protection, but that is not the fact. Such security means security for gliding down to hell. That's all. Dischad grihe niravatmane baddhatrishan ke tarhi dandatham anaya tapraha paniti dabhyam asata dushtan. Asat means dushtan, robes. Asato dushtan taneva aha mukunda padarvinda. How one can distinguish that he is a robe? That's what I say. The robe, you can understand immediately. He is not Krishna. He is a robe. So taneva mukunda padarvindayo makaranda rupa rasang tasmad vimukhan. Those who are averse to taste the honey in Krishna consciousness, they are robes. They are robes. And this Jamaraj is advising, go there, bring them here, I shall chastise them nicely. That is Jamaraj. Dushtantaneva aha mukunda padarvindayo jo makaranda rupa rasa tasmat vimukhan katham bhuta niskintanai rajasang jushyat tishan gyapakamaha niravatmani sadharma sanne grihi badhyat krishna joyistan. So what is their symptom? The symptoms which are described. The advantages of Krishna consciousness. Mahajana Dina Nagasnapantha, Jamaraj personally explained. He is Mahajana. Anyone who is not Krishna conscious, he is a candidate for Jamaraj. Replay incarnations are as unlimited as there are waves in the sea. There is no limit how many waves are there. Similarly, there is no limit of Krishna's incarnation. But some of the prominent incarnations connected with this world, they have been mentioned. Now this boy is advancing in Krishna consciousness by this method. So Kausala has transferred Krishna consciousness to him.
But he's also leading to it. That means he has to transfer to someone else.
Father, Son, everything. We could not transfer our service to somebody. The more we serve, the more we understand Krishna. We will follow this thing. There is the only means of understanding Krishna is service. There is no other means.
But someday one person will do the floor and next day another person. Is that all?
If one man can continue, that's nice. Why should he try for another man?
I was thinking that everybody can have an opportunity that way.
Well, that is very doubtful. The opportunity is neglected. So that attitude it is accepted, that there is an opportunity. That's very nice. But sometimes we try to transfer the opportunity, being compassionate with another group. Are you with it? Devotees are very compassionate. Karmika. Please you take this service and other service I may take prasad. That I cannot neglect. Krishna is so kind, any service you do, still you are accepted. Either you take this service or that service, still you are accepted.